sabi ehu na etuntum ni adwene enye tuntum na so mutumi gina mu saade a em se echakra no a Ghana abeyi.
We believe the AU Agenda 2063 is laudable, yet highly impractical if we are not lent a hand in building technology giants of the continent. We would be grateful to see the African Union take action to build the Africa we all want, and Kantanka is ready to join forces. From 2021, the exhibition, as we all know, shall be branded the Kantanka Ghana Tech Expo. It will be open for all inventors across the continent who are interested in the use of technology to solve Africa's challenges.